Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at Bmnr stock yet again. As whilst the stock price continues to fall and falls to new lower levels, the question on a lot of people's minds is what comes next. I'll be giving you my personal thoughts on that, I'll be giving you my opinions. If it sounds good, please do make sure to leave a like on the video. Do make sure to subscribe, it helps me out a lot. But do remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is just my opinions and not financial advice. Now I've said that though, we might as well jump straight in, and I actually want to bring you some news first. This comes from Cathy Wood's ARK Invest, which is buying another 15.6 million shares of Bitmine. This article wasn't published that long ago at all, published on the 28th, so literally just 2 days ago. Now this article of course speaks about the fact that Cathy Wood is going in on Bitmine immersion stock. We can see ARK Invest buying another $15.6 million worth of shares of Ether treasury company Bitmine Immersion Technologies on Wednesday across 3 of its actively managed exchange-traded funds. The bulk of the purchase through ARK's flagship ARK Innovation ETF, which acquired 227,569 shares of Bitmine, whilst ARK Next Generation Internet ETF has also added 70,991 shares. An ARK FinTech Innovation ETF has also picked up 40,553. So you can see a lot of interest there. The company is a very interesting company, and again, it is headed by Funds Strat's Tom Lee, ranking amongst one of the largest corporate holders of Ether with more than 1.7 million tokens, valued at nearly $8 billion at current prices. Cathy Wood began accumulating Bitmine on the 21st of July, purchasing $174 million worth across 3 funds in a single day. On the 2nd of August, her firm added another $17 million in Bitmine stock across its funds. ARK Invest has also been actively building positions in other cryptocurrency-related stocks, holding significant positions in Coinbase Global and crypto exchange Bullish. So the company is also boosting its holdings with purchases of $21.2 million in Bullish shares and 16.2 in Robinhood markets on the 20th of August. So despite the downtrend that we're seeing in the past, let's say, month or so, or the past couple of weeks at least, it seems like Cathy Wood at ARK Invest still has a lot of faith in this stock. And again, long-term, mid-term, very strong possibility of things going well here, very possible. However, short-term, my opinions at least are a little bit more, not necessarily pessimistic, but a little bit more skeptical at the moment. Now, if you were watching over the last week, I said that there was a few levels that I wanted to see this stock hold, especially after the bounce that we saw back up to the 55.05 range. I wanted to see this one come back and hold at the very lowest 47.34. Now, unfortunately, this hasn't happened and we haven't been able to hold on to these levels. Now we're dropping even lower. I think the next level of support that we could be looking for, there's a very plausibility of hitting 40. If not, we're looking to go to 38, and if we don't hit that, then it's going to be to 31 in my opinion. You know, we've seen this level around 38, 40, let's say. This is held up as a support. It's a next level of support that we have seen in the recent period, ever since we have hit these recent highs. And it's about seeing if that actually holds up. Now, the thing is, especially with another red day of 4% on Friday, we're not really seeing that downwards momentum actually slowing like what we would want to. It's not necessarily slowing down as much as we would want yet. So for me, in my opinion, I would not be buying at these levels, just my opinion, right? You guys can make your own decisions and opinions based on what you think. But I think at these levels, there's a possibility that we're going to see this one drop lower. If we were to see that, better buying opportunities would of course present themselves in the not too distant future. Just my opinions based on what we're seeing. You may disagree, but I'll leave you up to make your opinions in the comments. Thank you for your time, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.